What's up, everybody? This is Carl from Techful Goodies, and I'm not sure about you, but for me, I've got family across the country, and some of them I only get to see maybe once a year. Now, I've got pictures on my phone, of course, and we all have this problem where you just scroll endlessly. It's like a doom scroll all the way through, trying to find all the images or even images of the family you don't see that often, trying to find that exact one that you remember. I think I have a solution here. So this is the Arzopa D14 Digital Photo Frame. It's a 14-inch Wi-Fi photo frame that has a lot of really cool features to kind of keep you in touch with some of your family members. So this one here I'm planning to give as kind of the ultimate gift to my parents. They got 4 kids, grandchildren, brothers and sisters, aunts and uncles, all that kind of stuff. And the cool thing about this frame is that you can set it up to be kind of a social hub where everyone can upload images to the frame if they have permission, of course. So this would be sitting on your house displaying photos and videos, and then all of a sudden new images would come up from your family members across the country. So this is the box that it comes in, and on the back you can kind of see some of the stats. There's lots of things that this thing can do. Easy share, easy operation, photo and video sharing that I mentioned, a 14-inch HD display, 1920 by 1200, and like I said, you can also invite friends to share. It has a large memory storage, so built-in 32 gigs of memory. Now for photos, that's going to be around 80,000 photos, depending on how big they are. And on the inside, you have the frame itself. Oh, that's nice. They have a little note here. May this frame be your daily hug. Let me go ahead and pull this out of here so we can check it out. In the box, you get a frame. Gives a couple of notes here on the front and on the back. Oh, that's nice too. It looks like a little record player. Oh, this right here, I guess, is a stand. You plop it in there if you want to make sure that it can stand up on your countertop or wherever you're going to put it. So that's nice. Check this out. It actually looks really cool. The middle part looks like a CD disc or a, I don't know, a record player or something like that. And on the bottom here, you do have a audio plug, a USB-C, USB-A, a DC jack, and a SD card reader. So you can load images whatever way you want to, through SD card or through USB flash drive or through the Wi-Fi, whatever way you want to do it. They also provide a power adapter here. It's sort of a DC power adapter. I'll show you the specs here. Always hard to focus on these sort of things. But yeah, that's looking pretty nice. So let's go ahead and turn this thing on. It says connected to a frame with power adapter. After the logo shows up, it takes about 40 seconds to activate. Connected to the Wi-Fi network. And it supports JPEG, WebP, PNG, MP4, and 3GP. So you can do images and videos, which is nice. This is a very nice looking frame. Like you can see out here, this is a fully metal outside frame. It has a little bit of texture and a little bit of shininess, so a little bit of texture difference here. So it's a really cool thing about this is that you can set a pre-loaded gift animation that will play when the person who you give it to turns on the picture frame for the first time. So we'll plug it in here. I'm going to turn down the brightness a little bit here so you can actually see the screen. A lot of time my camera likes to blow out the screen, make it super duper bright. But we're on the first startup here. Go through the setup process. So in the app, you have set up a new device for me or a frame as a gift. A frame as a gift, create virtual gift code, enter nickname, mom. Add a greeting to your gift to personalize it. Combine a photo with a text message. When they connect the frame to the Wi-Fi, they'll see your message. So I'll go ahead and start to set this up and find a picture of all of our family. And of course, it's the same problem that I just mentioned before, where I have to go through every single one of my photos to be able to find an image of all of us together. All right, so I can edit the greeting if I want to. I'll just leave it default. And I can go ahead and go to upload now. Now, the cool thing that my sister does is she always makes a calendar every year. So check out this calendar. So she basically puts together a customized calendar of every single month that has all our images on there, which is nice to have on the wall. This is something that's going to be dynamic and able to be updated throughout the year. So I grabbed all those photos from her to start with, but it's uploading pretty quickly. You can see it here, 39, 41, 43, and that's a bunch of photos that I put on there. Now you can see here, my gift is ready. So it basically has a code that I can copy and give to her. Very cool. Now what I'm going to go ahead and do is right here, we're going to test that out before I give it to them, just to make sure we see. It says I have a gift code. All right. So that it receives the gift data. Now, depending on how many images you put on here, it could take a little while, but this is going pretty quick. All right, here we go. Oh, that's cool. Oh, very nice. And there's the message that I sent. Now I'm going to reset this up whenever I give that to them so they can actually see this. Very cool. enter the frame. So there you go. Well, that looks nice. So frame menu, add members, Wi-Fi, fit to screen, and then I can go ahead and hit like. So it says that Carl uploaded this and hit like. So if I have other family members that upload it, you'll register them and then you can come in here and hit like on that. Swipe to go to the next images. You can set it up to do autoplay, which it's doing now. You can change the brightness, which is great. Oh, now I want to get myself one. And then to add more people, you basically just come up here and add members, scan this QR code, and then you can add more family members to your frame. And like I said, it is secure, so you're not going to get random weirdo pictures showing up on your frame, unless your families are all weirdos, which mine are, so who knows. And of course, if this frame was for you, all you'd have to do is set it up as your own frame and then invite other people to send photos to you. And one other really cool feature is that it has a built-in gyro. So if you have a lot of pictures that are kind of in a vertical format like this, and you would prefer to have it on your sort of countertop like this, or on your credenza sort of sitting in a vertical format, you can do that. And the gyro will automatically notice that you have it in this position and then start to show all your photos in sort of this vertical format. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a video here just to test it out. Oh, and it has sound too. Oh, and it makes a sound. So basically when you add more images to the frame, it makes a sound so you know, so my parents will know when the new image has been added. That is also very cool. And when you have the frame set up here, you can go into the settings over here on the side, and they have a ton of settings you can see here. You have your autoplay, play interval, play order, switch animation effect, default display mode, fit to screen, show, you can turn off the date and time if you want, show avatar, yeah, show weather information. So good. It has a lot of different settings you can set up directly from the app. I really like having those extra features to be able to customize how it looks and what it does. If I want to remove the time, I can, whatever I want to do. But I want to test their snap and sync feature. So basically, if I take an image, let's see here, once I upload it, it's going to be instantly available to see on the frame. And there it is, the selfie I just took. That's cool. So you're going to have family members from around the country, all over the place, worldwide, uploading cool images of their day-to-day adventures and get them to instantly show up on the screen. I think that's a big winner. So this is the Arzopa 14-inch digital picture frame, Wi-Fi connected. I think it's definitely worth checking out. If you have any questions on how it works or information about it, go ahead and post them in the comments below. Please like and subscribe. I'd love to see you back. But until next time, this is Carl from Techful Goodies, and I'm out.